All right, y'all. The rain is here. Yep, the rain is here. Raining hard as hell. Whoa. They say they may have a hell out here, but who knows? Well, I must say it's gonna be some bad weather out here, you know. And Shamika's at work. Hope she's safe. April's at work. She have her own business, you know, cooking for everybody, you know. Yeah, it's the first time I mentioned April on my show. She appeared on my show twice, you know, on my Facebook Live and all that, you know. I must say, y'all, her branch was lingering over that power line. I remember. Y'all remember that during Hurricane Zeta? If y'all watched it, you know. Well, let's see, y'all. It ain't raining that hard right now, you know. If they have hail, y'all be careful driving out here, you know. Please be careful driving out here if they have hail, you know. Y'all gotta be careful driving out here if there's hail, you know. I doubt that they'll have hail, probably. Well, I should say more, you know. Okay. Yeah, I'm still hoping and praying that my friend Kirsten can make a song with Bone Thugs and Harmony. I'm I'm still hoping for that. I'm still pushing for that. Left a message to Bones, hoping they'll make a song with her. I guarantee she'll, because you know doors is opening for her. You know, hopefully she'll make a song with Mariah Carey or Ciara. You know, that's what I'm thinking about, Ciara, and it'd be great if she make a song with Ciara. I would love that though. And turn it right there. Who knows what's up?